Next up will be Pavel Sulimov, and after that, Annabelle Wiegert. So please, Annabelle, go back to the audio desk to get prepared.
Thank you.
Sure.
All right. Hello, everybody. I have seen that already a couple of people left. So maybe, newcomers, they don't know that lightning talks are the most interesting, with all my respect to the main track, sure. Okay, so basically, I'm Pavel, and today I want to talk a little bit about the real-time CRM with Python. And so we prepared it together with my colleague, who is now on Cyprus, so not today here. So basically, before moving to this lovely country, I was the head of data science team in Gibraltar. And there, obviously, Gibraltar is gambling. So we had a lot of clients, and one of the issues was that when clients are making some transactions, let's say, when they gamble, sometimes they gamble very much, So we need to respond to their actions pretty fast. So we need to, for example, either get some campaign or to have retention, or then to give them some, let's say, advice on what to do next, like next best step, and so on and so forth. But the thing is that actions are seconds, and then let's say a CRM campaign can take hours. And then, imagine now you stream the data, So you want to react as quick as possible. What are you gonna do? For example, you can store it in memory. I have bad news. For example, you use Spark, and if your Spark restarts, you have nothing. So in memory is not the best solution. There is another case, why not to use just a target database? So for example, I don't know, I use Postgres, I'm writing everything there. Okay, good idea, but the problem is that if you do just each event one write, it's gonna be expensive. And if you do it in batching, then it occurs that for example, some rule-based reactions to your client, it's gonna be super, super slow. So I mean, already the time when you should have reacted, it would go. So the solution is to use such a called data lakes, and this is heavily recommended when you are working with frequent clients' data, I would say. And basically, for example, now I'm talking about using Spark for streaming. Then there is a very nice stuff called Delta Lake, which is this example that is specifically optimized for working with Parquet data, which is supported by Spark, and also it's just optimized for Spark itself, so that it creates a single copy of data for streaming and so on and so forth. It's interesting that today in the first talk, it was about this count mean sketch that I never used, for example, but it was exactly about possibility of having it in streaming. So thanks, team, for that hint. As I say, I didn't try, but you can. Why not? And basically, this is kind of the result that you get. So if you're fast enough, if you react to your clients, then, for example, especially VIP clients, they're super happy when you react immediately. And, for example, you get them some bonus or offers or etc. And, I mean, as a business, you just make money. That's it. What do you need to do? You just need to make pip install by Spark, Delta Spark, and start making money. If you do not use Spark, you can use, for example, Flink, but just be careful. So, I mean, for example, we were using Spark because, back then it was comfortable. Then we shifted into Flink, but now, for example, Google Cloud does not support Flink anymore as an easy integrate. That's why, let's say, it's now again better to switch into Spark. So, I mean, nobody will tell you why he uses this or that instrument, but the truth is that it should be very well integrated with your other infrastructure. So, for example, with cloud, Google, Amazon, etc. And if you want to have more funny stories from practice and also getting funny solutions like this, with happy ends, then you can just follow these QR codes, subscribe, and there I'm gonna post a lot of interesting stories. And then happy to discuss with you anything after. That's it. Thanks so much.